Hello everybody. So today I'm going to be filming a really interesting video. I'm going to be dyeing my hair, but my hair has been this color since prom, which was in May, and it's now October, so you do the math because I can't. The other day I toned it with this purple shampoo. It's the Fanola one. I got it on Amazon, and that's usually what I tone my hair with when it's getting like brassy. So I just wanted to get it as like blonde as possible. It's not just gonna like brush it and section it, but you guys will see. Here's the before. I went to the beauty supply store and I picked up the Creative Image red hair dye in Intense Red 71. I also picked up another one, Cream of Nature in color Red Hot Burgundy. Just in case everything goes bad, we can just dye it brown. This is Dark and Lovely 391 Brown Cinnamon. I'm gonna try to do the more blonde parts with this because I think this is gonna be a little bit brighter. Yeah, that's like red. Put this in the roots. We'll see. Super damaged, that's why I'm trying to dye it. The whole purpose in dyeing it is to go darker, just because like when I originally lightened it, it was just for highlights, and I got my whole head blonde. I sectioned this half of my head into two pieces. I'm gonna start with the really red color and we're gonna see what we get. This looks like blood. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's so red. Oh my gosh, it's all over the floor. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, it's staining everything. My heart is racing.
Lucas.
I feel like I'm going through like a mental breakdown. Can you see this? It's red. Now I have to let this sit in for about 15 minutes. I did the whole thing. That's what it's looking like. And I'll show you guys when I rinse it. I saved a little bit extra because I'm also going to be using this one, and I'm going to put this more in the roots, and I might mix a little bit of that red one too. We'll see how it rinses out though. So this is what it looks like. It's super red. I really like it though. I'm gonna do the roots because I feel like they're really too black. But I'm just gonna, like I said, put this color in. So I'll show you guys after I put it in. My camera is about to die, so I'm gonna go charge the battery while I do this. So I'm filming on my phone, but I wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like. I put it in and it's got this going on. So leave it in for 25 minutes and then I'll wash it out and comb it and show you guys the finished product. I like how it looks so far, but am I just having a mental breakdown, or do we actually like this? I feel like I just did it and didn't look back, so it's obviously maybe the right choice. We'll see. I'm going to rinse this. So we are done, guys. This is the final look. It's really, really pretty. I like it. And the roots are a little bit more brown now. You can't really see it on camera, but I'll take a picture and put it in now so you guys can see it. And I think it looks really, really good. I like it. I'm going to blow dry it and straighten it tomorrow, but I have to get on the road and I also have to pack my bag for Virginia, and I'm gonna be vlogging this week, so stay tuned for the vlog, and I'll see you guys later.